Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the library and placing a file where Python can read it. Once done, run pip install pygame to get the audio backend. Make sure the file is accessible by path, using WAV avoids format hassles. Now open your editor and write import pygame, mixer. Init. You do this so the mixer sample rate and channels are set before loading audio. This immediate setup gets you into the playback flow without unnecessary tooling or configuration steps. Once initialized, load your clip with sound equals pygame. Mixer, sound file, WAV so you have an object you can control, then call channel equals sound, play, to start playback. This is non-blocking so your script can continue. Make sure to set volume with sound. Set volume 0, 8 for consistent loudness. If you need to wait until the sound finishes, poll channel. Get busy in a short sleep loop. These steps let you play, adjust, and monitor audio programmatically while keeping the code simple and deterministic. To finish, stop playback with channel. Stop or pause with pygame. Mixer, pause, and when your program exits, call pygame. Mixer, quit to release resources. Make sure to handle exceptions around file loading so you can present clear errors. If you encounter no sound, verify the exact path, confirm mixer. Init, return successfully, and ensure your OS audio drivers are active. WAV files avoid many codec issues. If formats are incompatible, convert MP3 to WAV before loading to keep this one-way approach reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.